2 hours in an Anton, making videos of a METRA Tron. And I'm going to be riding this Tron. Exciting to get videos of Trons. And it's snowing. Like, this is unfucking believable. But at least I'm able to park here. Trons are fucking cool. Enough to find a decent place to sit. I rode this Tron. This last time I rode this Tron was exactly 5 years ago. 6 years ago today on April 14, 2010. It wasn't snowing then. God, I gotta get my ticket out. Weather. But it makes for a more interesting Tron ride.
The next stop will be Medina.
I rise with Medina. Makes for a more interesting Tron ride, though. It's not gonna be fun.
Approaching Medina.
God, I can't believe this weather. It adds to my fucking anxiety. Thankfully, you can park in the lot for free here. On weekends, anyway. It ain't like that at most places. Well, at least a little bit slushy as opposed to a little bit slick. Interesting to get a Tron ride on the snowy. I really think in Unta I'm going to go in May instead of 2 years from the home. Oh God. I don't have to worry about getting caught. It'll probably be 100 degrees if I go in May, knowing my luck. With high dew points as well. I got to take it out of the way. this fucking camera, and then when I was making a driving video on the other phone yesterday, the fucking video crapped out of me and said that cannot record Emperor Trees too high. If it does this in April, I'm not going to re-record anything in July on that phone. Oh, the snow looks cool on the trees. Didn't expect anything like this. My God. I sat on the other side of the
The
tron.
next stop will be Itasca.
I made an METRA Train video last November. Like, there was no snow on the ground. The roads aren't, well, the main roads are not too bad. They're mostly just wet though. That's the one good thing. And it's a heavy slushy snow. Heart attack snow. You have a heart attack if you shovel the snow. It's like fluffy snow. Past F to E yet. I don't remember seeing it. Well, no, that's Rwanda. Yeah, it's fucking cool how the trunk goes over that freeway. Yeah.
Now approaching Itasca.
I hope I can get videos with that other phone as well. There'll be so much riding trons today. In the snow. You know, I often say trons are fucking cool, but on a day like this, I have to say, and it's important on a day like this, trons are fucking warm. Probably gonna have to get another tablet. Oh god, this thing, I hope the battery holds out. Even with a juice pack, it's not gonna be enough. I don't have enough backup plans. I should be able to get the whole Tron right in.
The next stop will be Wooddale.
He said wood. He said wood. In Chicago area didn't have nearly as brutal of a winter where I live. Everywhere on big whopper snowstorm after another. Someone else either making a video or taking pictures. Oh, what river is that? I think that might be Salt Creek.
Now approaching Wooddale.
He said wood. yeah, he said wood. Why couldn't Beavis and Butthead like trons? Can't enjoy walking around on a day like this. It's not the snow so bad, it's the fucking wind. This is the Wooddale station. He said wood. yeah. He said wood. Oh, I'm gonna stop this and make a part with this video.